Hello iPhone users. Highlight situations where sharing notes can be useful, such as collaborating on projects or sharing shopping lists. Step 1. Step-by-step instructions. Open the Notes app. Launch the Notes app on your iPhone. Step 2. Select Notes. Select the note you want to share. Step 3. Click the Share icon. Find the Share icon, up arrow in the box, in the upper right corner of the Note page. Click on it to open the sharing menu. Step 4. Choose how to share. Choose how you want to share your notes. For example, messages, mail, or other apps. You can send a note directly to someone or share it via a link. What you need to do is select a note and share it with friends. Sharing tasks. Taking notes will help you retain necessary items, bringing you necessary benefits for work and life. With just simple steps, you will have a perfect way to share. Thank you for watching and see you in the next new videos about good mothers on iPhone. Oh, our channel also has great tech tips. Thank you and goodbye.